Hi, I'm Rachel. Slipstick's new heavy-duty dual rollerblade office chair wheels with 2 bearings and polyurethane wheels are perfect for both carpet and hard surface floors. These stylish wheels have 2 internal bearings, and the forgiving polyurethane tyres make rolling easier and friendly to all surfaces. Have you been struggling moving your office chair on carpet or a mat with small standard hard plastic wheels? Installation is easy. Remove existing wheels and pop in the new ones, no tools required. Now with the dual bearing wheel, rolling is a breeze. On hard surfaces like wood or laminates, the flooring is protected by the polyurethane tyres. These heavy-duty wheels roll smoothly and quietly and are a superior upgrade if wood floor protection is required. These premium office chair replacement wheels are backed by our 5-year warranty.